Welcome! If you want your Telegram messages to automatically disappear after 1 month, this quick guide will walk you through the updated steps to enable auto-delete for all your chats. Keeping your conversations private and your app clutter-free has never been easier. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This will open up the main navigation panel. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Privacy and Security. This section is where you control all your privacy features, including message auto-deletion. Now, look for the option labeled Passcode Lock, or sometimes Lock App. Tap on it to access additional security settings. Here, you'll find the Auto-Delete Messages feature. Tap on Auto-Delete Messages. You'll see several options for how long messages should stay before being deleted. Select After 1 month. This means every new message you send or receive will automatically vanish after 30 days. Once you've made your selection, tap Enable to activate the feature. Telegram will now take care of the rest, erasing your messages after 1 month, so you don't have to worry about old chats piling up or sensitive information lingering longer than necessary. Keep in mind, this setting applies to new messages in all your chats going forward. Existing messages won't be affected, but every new conversation you start will automatically follow your chosen auto-delete rule. That's it. You've successfully set up Telegram to auto-delete your messages after 1 month. Enjoy a cleaner, more private chat experience. And remember, you can always adjust this setting if you want messages to disappear sooner or later. Thanks for tuning in, and happy messaging.